Why can't they ever follow a timetable?
Let me share an idea that changed how I study as a Muslim. Most study routines ask, how many hours can you push today? This one asks something else. How can I attach my effort to Salah? As Muslims, our day is already divided, not by the clock, but by prayer. Instead of fighting this routine builds on it. The core idea. You do not study whenever you feel like it. You study after you pray. Because Salah resets your mind, softens your heart, and clears mental noise. So when you study after prayer, you are not starting from chaos. You are starting from alignment. You are not forcing discipline. You are continuing it. Aligning study with prayer. This routine is flexible. Use any prayer that fits your life. Study session format. Pray properly. After prayer, sit down immediately. Set a 40-minute timer. Study one subject. No phone, no multitasking. After 40 minutes, take a 10-minute break. Stand up, drink water, reset. Repeat once more if needed. That is it. No complex planners, no pressure. My personal example. I focus mainly on Asr and Maghrib. After Asr, I pray. Then do 2 40-minute sessions. Hard subjects go here. That is 1 hour and 20 minutes. Even on busy days, this stays. After Maghrib, I pray. Then do 1 40-minute session. Light work. Revision, organizing notes, no forcing. At night, I do not open books. I mentally recall what I studied, note what to improve, make a small dua, and sleep. Why this works? You stop negotiating with yourself. You stop delaying study. You stop feeling guilty. Studying becomes something you flow into, not something you force. You are not choosing between Deen and Dunya. You are connecting them. Reminders. Start with one prayer. Do not chase long hours. Consistency matters more than intensity. One honest session after prayer is better than a whole day of forced studying. Allah already gave us a structure. Try this routine sincerely, not perfectly. Notice how your focus improves, your stress reduces, your effort feels lighter. May Allah put barakah in your time